Okay, hi guys. So my name is Andrew from Total Window Service, and right now we are on the construction site, and we are doing scratch removal right now from the glass. So as you can see, this is a large building. A lot of windows got scratched in the process of cleaning. Well, we don't know exactly how did it happen, but what we know that we can remove those scratches, and if you are looking for the team to restore your glass, we are the team. All right, so over there, as you can see, one of our technicians is buffing the glass and removing scratches. So this is the process. We have to buff it. There's a couple stages when we do glass restoration, scratch removal. First, we grind it with a different grade of sandpaper with the buffer, from bigger to the finest, and then we polish it. So right now our technician is doing final polish. So let me show you one thing. So when you're looking at this glass, so this is haze over here. This is from pre-polish stage. So we use finest grade sandpaper to make it look like this, and we grind all the way to the bottom of every scratch that was on this window. And then after we got to this stage, we buffed it with a white disc and special powder, and trying to buff it off to perfection. All right, so this is technically how it looks. We have to protect edges, we don't damage the frame. Scratch removal. So here we see the first stage. We're working with the black disc, and this is gray already. So you can see the difference. Has less haze. We already repaired those 3 panels, these 2 panels. This one is in process. We have guys working on that, and we are doing some work on the scissor lift, and guys already did this window, and they just marked the area where we're gonna be restoring, and for today this window. So it's not going fast, but it's going with a good quality, and that's what we want. All right, so this is final result from interior. Remember this set? It had a lot of scratches somewhere in this area, and now I don't see anything. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah, that's not a scratch, that's a dirt on the metal over there. Yeah, window looks good. Okay, so glass scratch removal. This is how it works. This is the final result of scratch removal. And now the guys move to a different set. Good quality, this is why we're here. All right, so glass scratch removal, Total Window Service. If you have windows scratched, give us a call. Thank you.